So there's multiple ways to do this. I'm just going to give you one little piece here, and then we'll work on it. Multiple ways to do this. So you have this feeling, right? A good chunk of what we're going to be doing this year is helping you get in touch with the primary emotion as the primary emotion moves through your body. Because the primary emotion is the compass for you. For the masculine partner, it's the weather report. Okay, so he hasn't decided to lead yet. At some point on your next date, there will be a like, go ahead, show me. What is it? Like if some feeling like anxiety or
Yeah,
okay, like okay, so he's sitting across from dinner.
Still talking about
Yeah, this sitting across from dinner, and all of a sudden you're feeling it, and then you're just like and he's like, what? And you're like, this is me not knowing where we're going on our vacation. I don't know.
Very good.
What do you think? Yeah, I'm a good feminine practitioner. So what do you think that will evoke from him? So let's say you do that. Let's just say you do that. And what do you think what do you think he might respond with?
So where do you want to go?
I mean, I'm assuming what will your response be? What will your feeling be? I'm assuming we're not in it, so we'll just assume.
Yep.
We'll kind of make this up. So he says, where do you want to go? And you'll have a feeling. What will that feeling be?
I don't care. You decide.
That's not a feeling.
Okay. I guess frustration.
Frustration, okay, or kind of exasperation or frustration, or having to decide.
Yeah.
This is me having to decide where to go. What do you think he'll do then? I mean, again, we're just making this shit up here. I'm giving you guys different possibilities. You make so. This is me like having to decide. What do you think he'll do then?
He'll then say,
yeah.
Okay.
Oh!
I'll do it. Yeah. Why don't we go there? No.
Yeah! Yay! My hero! Right? I mean, I'm making it kind of methodical, but there really is a methodology to it, right? I'm having an emotion because I'm having a legit emotion because I don't want to step in and take the lead. Could be fear, could be anxiety, normally it's anxiety for women I see. Or just exhaustion of like, fuck, yet another decision I've got to make.
Yeah.
I express that to him. I keep expressing the primary emotion to him until he actually like steps in and gets it. And then I just thank the fuck out of him. What do you think this guy's going to be trained to do? Make more decisions for you. And you will have the satisfaction of being you. Not some toxic masculine mimic of you that you've had to wear to get shit done. Not just you, I'm talking about so many women, right? Like so many women are like, okay, I'm gonna like squeeze my body into this masculine suit and I'm gonna make decisions. How come you don't want to have sex with me? Right? Because this is what I see all the time.